Alright, so day 2 of the build, of the current build. We're here with Eric again. He came back. He's here wearing the same shirt, yeah, same hat, everything. And I have the same leaves on the back of my shirt as before. Those are different leaves, actually, not the same leaves. So what are we going to be doing today, Eric?
We are going to be putting on this.
We're going to be putting on these doodads right here. These thingamacbobbers. They got like springs and whatnot, so they're going to make the car like not bounce so much.
Or make it bounce.
Or make it bounce more, who knows?
Like the, what is it? Go-Go Gadget springs?
Yeah. And it's like going to like make the car like lower to the ground and whatnot. See, I mean, we like the height now, the way it sits here. It's like, got a, what would you say that is, like a 16-inch lift?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. But I think we're going to lower it. Okay, so.
Good?
Fuck, I don't know, dude. We hadn't even dropped it yet. Let's just wait till we drop it. Fuck, that's heavy. Okay.
What are you doing?
That's also another way to lower it.
Oh, it is?
Or maybe that lifts it up. Oh, that jacks it up. Never mind. Never mind. Said it wrong. Oh. Sorry, folks, that you can't see this. You'll have to excuse me. I don't have my loose on. For all of you people that like don't speak Mexican, you need to like Google loose and you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, so we're gonna take off the ABS. Was that ABS sensor?
Yeah. Wheel speed sensor.
Doodad and strut bolts. Oh, focus. All right. Yeah, and yeah. Oh, ooh, look at that loose, making it so clear. And then we're gonna pass this carbon fiber that is dirty as fuck. And then you're gonna want to take off these 3 bolts. Bolt focus. Fuck you then. All right, bolt 1, bolt 2, and bolt 3. And then when the fucking knuckle falls, we're gonna support it with this here handy jack from the always reliable Harbor Freight.
Always reliable.
All right.
That and then it all comes
We
out.
took out the speed sensor because we didn't think that we had enough slack, and we thought we would snap it. See them rotors, everybody? Look how shiny they are. You can see his reflection. You can see like his reflective shirt reflecting in the reflective rotors. That's what you call like dual reflection. Damn, that is shiny though, for real. Them like brake lines. They're like super brakey.
Like super brakey?
They like brake really good and stuff. We haven't taught y'all shit. We're just like good, have like good footage, so y'all can just kind of decipher what's going on. Loud noises. Look at this angle. I'm getting in there, bro. I'm getting in there.
God damn it, dude. Oh, it's because I'm
You got it like going the wrong way and whatnot?
Yep.
That's what he does when he works for Sissy Trucks.
Sissy Trucks, what the fuck?
Yeah, you get in there. You work that ratchet. The only thing we've done here is we've guesstimated on how far to lower it. We didn't measure it though. We used the little doodad to measure, and it's like at 1.5 so-and-so inches. So we're gonna do the front both to 1.5 so-and-so inches, and hope to God that's a normal height so we don't have to lift it up and fucking lower it some more. Or raise it, granted that we have slammed it and don't realize it. Actually, we haven't slammed it because you can see there it's not slammed. And now we're using the whiteline adjustable sway bar endlinks or stabilizer endlinks, depending on if you're a douchebag or not. And the coilovers did come with endlinks, but I got new ones only because I thought that these weren't that good. It's not because I didn't know it came with them. That's not it at all. That's absolutely incorrect. So whiteline is much better quality. If you know anything about whiteline, you know they're all about quality and equality. They're like equal rights, equal pay and stuff, you know.
Equal everything.
This is genuine professional shirt. This man is wearing a shirt with his name on it, folks. That shit does not fuck around. Look how gold that is. Alright, so you gotta use your Darth Vader LED light to see this. But anyway, so what we began to do is we lowered it way too much. We measure from the center of the rotor to the fender, top of the fender, and at a stock height it's 17.5 inches.
Right there.
So now we're at about 15 3/4 inches. So about a 1.75 inch drop. So we're gonna see how that sits. So we're gonna drop that. So fuck this little doohickey here. It's now become irrelevant. We're just using the old keychain tape measure method. And yeah. So we will keep you updated. We've also installed the, well I say we, Eric installed the whiteline sway bar inlet. Look at that, it's tight. That is tight.
Toit like a toit.
Okay folks, we're back with Eric the safety man. So we got a LED loose that is affixed to the vehicle now. As you can see, it is dark outside. We have lost natural sun loose. What are you trying to do?
Jack this up.
Oh, let me do it, bro. I can operate a camera and jack at the same time. Wordplay. So now we are supporting the lower control arm. And we're going to replace it. Where did you put the other lower control arm? For the people. Oh, there it is. For the peoples. Voodoo 13. Made in America.
America.
America. Fuck yeah.
Okay. That's out. Can you go up a little?
Oh, with the jack?
Yeah.
You know I can record and jack.
Alright, now go down.
That's going to be a lot harder to do with the camera.
Just twist, buddy. If you go down a lot, don't matter.
It's going down.
Why the fuck don't you want to come off?
What are you trying to take out?
The fucking stud or whatever. A bolt.
He's a stud.
All I gotta do is take this out.
Are you using the air ratchet?
I could. If I had it over here.
Let me go get you an air ratchet, bro.
Okay, now I need a 17 socket.
God damn it, why didn't you tell me that when I was over there? A long one? Because it's right by. Oh, yeah, it's not a 3/8.
I just realized you don't have to go all the way over there. You had another set of fucking 3/8 sockets over here that were long. In that box.
Huh?
The deep. Oh, it doesn't matter. Just bring that whole blue box. How'd you go all the way around?
Because I don't want to trip. I want to look stupid on camera.
Bro, you be tripping.
I'd not be tripping. That's why I went around. Damn, I cannot get a good angle on these bolts.
guess you're not really a true cameraman.
Oh. Well. Prepare to be slightly fondled. I got an idea. Hold on, don't do shit.
Oh.
Here we go, folks. NVIDIA. Okay. Taking off the lower control arm here. At the lower control arm nut. We have removed the sway bar end link and the coil itself, or the shock itself. As you can see, the shock was muy malo. Muy malo. Now we're removing. Okay, I was talking.
My bad, bro.
We're removing something that is not muy malo, but it's like
Just a necessity.
not as bueno. Let's see how heavy it is. Oh yes, much heavier.
This thing's fucking light.
Actually, they feel the same. Actually. This one, it doesn't feel heavier at all.
I feel like this is a little
Yeah,
bit
actually,
heavier.
this is heavier too. Yeah. So it's not like weight reduction or nothing. It's more like weight gain. But hey, then you're getting some gains, you know.
Hey.
Everybody likes gains, you know what I'm saying? All kinds. Eric, demonstrate the removal of the whatever the
So
fuck
first you
call
gotta rip this out.
it. Please don't. Please don't rip that out when you can just slightly lift.
You gotta
Slightly.
take that and that off.
Those are great angles.
Nope, wrong.
You gotta
note.
get the wrong size. I mean, you gotta get the
Socket.
right size socket first. That's really important that you use the right tools.
Okay.
Eric claims not to make mistakes, yet he clearly makes
I
mistakes.
don't make mistakes, brother. Got it.
He's got it, everybody. Oh, look at it. It's a
Little bitty thing.
It's a little baby. It's a little baby. Look at that little baby. Look how nasty that little
Golly.
baby is. It's a gross little baby. So now you're on video.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this is us tightening up. Well, this is Eric tightening up the sway bar end link, the bolt for the coilover, using the provided bolts by Skunk 2. If you'd like to sponsor me in any way, I'm open. You know, if you make parts for Mustangs, send them over.
Hell yeah.
Because we got a 2013 5.0 that we're going to be doing some work on as well. Plenty of footage for that when it happens. NVIDIA, if you would like to be a sponsor, we're cool with that too. As goes with Voodoo 13. For all your lower control arm needs, order Voodoo 13. Made in America.
America.
And hand-cooked tires.
Hand-cooked.
For the best rubber around, hand-cooked tires.
Fuck dude, I can't find the damn 19.
When your girlfriend says you need to wrap it up, tell her, I have hand-cooked tires. That's the only rubber I need. Hand-cooked tires.
I'm not sponsored by hand-cooked tires.
These are real actors, not paid. Or these are God damn it. These are real people, not paid actors. This is the best commercial ever. You ever seen those Chevrolet commercials? Where like they act all surprised. Oh my god, is that a car?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's got wheels and everything. You know, like that one commercial where they show like the ass end of the car, it's just like the hatch and shit. And they're like, do you want to know what's on the other side? And then like they move the wall and like, holy shit, it's another part of the car. Like, what the fuck do you think's on the other side of half a car? The other half of the fucking car. Dumbasses.
Maybe be a house.
Like, haven't you ever seen a deer head on a wall? You ever go to the other side of the wall? It's the rest of the fucking deer, dude. So last night we finished bolting everything together. Got the tow arm, the coilover, and the lower control arm in. Now we got to adjust it and do the other side. All right.
Dude, it's fine. If you can go over this big ass hump, you're fine.
Well, we did that in the rear. We haven't done that in the front. If you can tell, look how low it is in the front, and when we do the camber, it's going to get even lower.
Yeah.
I guess we could do camber a little bit in the front.
Yeah. It's not bad, dude. I like the exhaust.
So much for hitting a speed bump ever again in my life.
Well, I mean, you wanted to lower it, so fuck it.
I don't know if I wanted it that low though.
You don't want it now, but once you get it all figured out, situated, you're gonna be like, oh, I love it. I'm glad I did this.
Alright.
You're gonna sit there and be like, Eric was right. I don't know why I doubted him.
Alright, fuck it. We'll back it. You want to back it back in?
Yeah.
Don't burn my clutch. Oh shit, gotta see this angle right here. Hey, you know how to put it in reverse? With the little lift thing? Alright.
Got it in reverse.
I said don't burn the clutch. Alright, alright. Damn. You know what's fucked up is the fucking alignment doesn't even feel that off.
Oh, it'll be off once you fucking adjust the camera.
Yeah, it's off, but it doesn't feel as off as I thought it would. You know what I mean? The air horn, everybody. Every FRS needs to become equipped with a stock air horn.
Stock.
Everything else on my car is completely stock. I changed one thing.